Now let's talk about Joseph Proust and his law of constant proportions. He discovered that no matter where you get your water, from a glacier, a pond, or even your kitchen tap, it's always made up of hydrogen and oxygen in the same mass ratio of 1 is to 8. 1 is to 8? What? I thought water had a 2 is to 1 ratio of hydrogen to oxygen. So where's all this 1 is to 8 business coming from? Okay, let's break it down. First off, yes, you're right. Water has 2 hydrogen atoms for every 1 oxygen atom. That's the 2 is to 1 ratio we know of, but that is by atoms. But we are not talking about atoms here. We are talking about mass, and mass can be a bit different. Now, hydrogen is super light. If we could weigh just one hydrogen atom, it would be like really tiny. Let's call the mass of one hydrogen atom 1 floof. I know, sure, there's a technical term for atomic mass, but that's a topic for another video. Now, on the other hand, oxygen is much heavier. It's about 16 times heavier than hydrogen. So one atom of oxygen would weigh 16 floofs. And when we look at a water molecule, it weighs 2 floofs from 2 hydrogen atoms and 16 floofs from 1 oxygen atom. That gives us the 2 is to 16 ratio, which simplifies to 1 is to 8. And this ratio stays the same no matter how much water you have. 9 grams of water will always have 1 gram hydrogen and 8 grams of oxygen, whereas 900 grams of water will have 100 grams of hydrogen and 800 grams of oxygen. And just like water, this concept applies to other molecules too. Take ammonia, for example. It has 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. The nitrogen atom weighs 14 floofs, and each hydrogen atom weighs 1 floof each. So the ratio here is 14 is to 3, which means 17 grams of ammonia will always have 14 grams of nitrogen and 3 grams of hydrogen.